Just fought it with extension. Guess I would shoot it at you. I am not the one to mention. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dissing. Money in my vision. Me and Franklin siblings, nigga, this my way of living. Just fought it with extension. Guess I would shoot it at you. I am not the one to mention. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dissing. Money in my vision. Me and Franklin siblings. Where I'm from.
What do YouTube? It's your boy Wild Man. I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be explaining to y'all how to do a burnout in the 2011-2014 automatic Mustang GT. So it worked for the GT or the V6 Mustang. The seat is pretty much the same. So I'm gonna walk y'all through what you have to do while you're in the inside of the car, and then I'll show y'all the video I had to do on the outside of doing the burnout. Stay tuned to get to the video. Alright guys, so what you want to do first is you want to make sure you cut your traction all the way off, and you do that by holding the traction control button right here. So you're gonna hold it, you press it, it's gonna say traction control off. You hold it for about 10 seconds. And it's gonna say advanced track off like that, and you'll see the light come on. Alright, so once you do that, you want to put the car in sport mode. So you want to make sure it say sport shift mode, and you want to make sure you got that 1 right there. You see how it just jumped up to the 2? You want to make sure you got the 1 right there. And so once you do that, you're gonna put your foot on the brake and give it some gas. And while you give it gas, you slowly taking your foot off the brake, and your back wheels should start to spin. Then you eventually come all the way off the brake and just give it out gas, and it's gonna go. So I'm finna pull around, and I want y'all to see what it look like on the outside. First gear is in sport mode. I got advanced traction all the way off. Now I'm gonna put my foot on the brake, and I'm gonna start giving it some gas. Then I'm gonna slowly come off the brake, and you'll see the car take off. In a backpack, I ain't have time for breakfast, I'm just trying not to get flapjack.